Well, somehow I've managed to mess up the way I recorded this video. So if you can just bear with me, I'll try to straighten it out on the next one. I think it's the way I recorded it. It's not the way I edited or anything else. Hang in there. That's Colt and Pepaw. Colt went to the dermatologist and they said they suspected a food allergy. Something. So they gave us some creams and stuff to help with his what's it called? Eczema. And seemed to be doing a pretty good job. Aside from that, we're outside today. I don't know if you can hear that noise. But that is the cicada bugs, or whatever these things are. Look at all them bugs. They're on all the trees. They're everywhere. And the other day, we had a nice friendly bear out here eating them. I'll include a picture of this of the video of the bear. But they're everywhere. And you can hear that noise. And they come like, I guess, out of the ground, out of these holes. And my yard is full of these holes. And they're everywhere. See that, Colt? And like they're on all of the trees. Look at this tree. Some of them are just the shells, like, and then some of them are the whole bugs. There's the whole bugs right down there. You can see them. There's some pretty ugly critters. They have big eyeballs. And they don't like to be touched either. I've touched some of them. The live bugs, they just lose their mind. That camera lens may be dirty, I don't know. What do you think about them bugs? And the bears, they like these bugs. They feed on them. It doesn't matter what kind of tree it is. They're in all the trees. And that noise you hear, besides Colt. Oh, bless you. Bless you. We're going back inside. Come on, Tucker. That noise you hear, that's them cicada bugs. What do you think, buddy? Oh, there's one. They're everywhere. Colt went to the doctor. They said he's got allergies and all of that good stuff with the springtime allergies. We're gonna go back inside, but just thought we'd share the cicada bugs with you today. They're everywhere, everywhere. As you can see, we have lots of trees here. At the old homestead. And we have you can hear the noise, I would imagine. All right, we're gonna go. Hey, tell them bye, Colt. Tell them bye. Always looking the other way, never looking at the camera. I love you. Love you, buddy. There you go. Tell everybody bye. Can you tell them bye? Look at you, got little tigers on your pajamas today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Colt and Pepaw, tell 100,000 of your closest friends. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Whatever else I forgot. Catch us later. Bye. Thanks for watching.